Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Mike. I'm doing a bike check for my friend Nick. My channel is Yamaha Dirt Bike 11, and I got bike checks on there of my bike. You can check that out. This is a 2007 Hoffman Cirrus. I'll start from the front and then move my way to the back. The front rim is an Alienation PBR 3/8 axle, stock forks, and then an integrated headset, stock stem, and then the stock bars. The Odyssey monolever on there with the Animal Edwin grips. He's got the gyro tabs on there in the Snafu gyro. And then Odyssey brake cables to the Diatech 996 brakes, anodized in blue. He's got the sealed mid bottom bracket with the stock cranks and the stock gearing. He's got the sealed titanium Hoffman pedals in metal and the electric lime half-link Shadow Conspiracy chain. The back rim is an Alienation PBR in chrome with the 14mm axle. He's got the 3212 gearing and a cassette on the back. It's pretty loud. He's got the Shadow Conspiracy electric lime pivotal seat and the electric lime Shadow Conspiracy seat post, and he has the seat post clamp. He just didn't put it on yet, and that's about it. He probably will be having another bike check soon because he's getting some new parts. So comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.